America, America. It's Daniel David Paradise. I am on location, God's man in Israel, God's correspondent in the home office, Israel. I'm back in Israel again. And it says in Jeremiah, comfort, comfort my people. When Israel starts to praise God and apologize for their forefathers killing Yeshua, Jesus Christ. When that starts happening in Israel, I am close to coming, Daniel. Well, I'm here to tell you, I'm at Morning Star Church, next to my hostel, where I'm staying, and I heard the music through the wall of the Morning Star Church. And all the people here are Hebrew people, accepting Jesus Christ and crying for our forefathers, emotionally for what our forefathers did, their forefathers did. It's in the Bible, Lord. It's in the Bible, people. When this happens, we're about close to seeing Yeshua, Jesus Christ, and the children and the people shall see him coming. I'm going to take you into the church and through the door here, and all the people here are beautiful Hebrew brothers loving Yeshua, Jesus Christ. And here we go. Thank you, girls. Can you hold that open for me? Lady?